This is the ALM 3220 automatic laminator. It has breakthrough technology. This machine will laminate, cut, trim, single-sided, two-sided, with various types of film. It will do 8.5 by 11, 11/17, and also a 12 by 18 with very simple adjustments to be made. So loading our laminating machine, basically we can take a 8.5 by 11 piece. We are going to load it into the feeder, slide it in. To switch to a simple 11/17 or 12/18, all we need to do is loosen our guide, slide this over, and we're going to load in our 12 by 18 piece. Our laminator holds 2 rolls of film. We have a roll at the top and we have a roll at the bottom, which feeds to our heat shoes right through the center of the machine. For our operational and our keypad, we have a temperature and speed control, where now I can control my temperature, and I can also control the speed, and this is inches per minute. We're going to go to our different modes, and our first mode is our count, where we can set how many sheets, up to 200 sheets, or we could just set it for multiple and it's going to run them through, or we could just individually tell it how many sheets to laminate per pass. We have our margin set. We can adjust the cut. We have a start, we have a stop, and this is just a reset if we do have an error. To start the machine, you just hit the start and it's going to start laminating. Our product is laminated, and here we have set it to have a flush cut all the way around the edges. Okay, so now we want to take our product and we want to have a border all the way around the edges. Very simple. We load our 8.5 by 11 in. We're going to come to our mode and we are going to turn our margin on. We come to the back side, and now we move our selector switches to with a margin, and that's going to give us a margin all the way around the product. Close our lid and hit start. So now you see our product. We went from a flush cut edge to an edge with a border in just a few seconds. So now we have a menu that we would like to do in a 12 by 18. And now all we're going to do is slide our paper guide over. Slide our guides over, they're preset. We're going to load our menu into the machine. I want to do a flush cut, so I'm going to go mode and set my margins. I'm going to turn that off. I need to come to the back side again, and I'm going to move my guides over to my digital, which is 12 by 18, and I'm going to do a flush cut. So within a matter of seconds, we went from an 8.5 by 11 to a 12 by 18 menu cover. Now we can just cut it down and we're ready to go.